Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Look at that. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. And today I received a new update for iOS. Bro, let's check. Let's check. Source of information. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. This is a brand new update. iOS 16.3. Can you see this? There are more new information about this that you can see here. You can read by yourself. You can see new United wallpaper, honor Black history and culture in celebration of Black History Month and more. Okay, no problem. What can I do right now? Let's install right now this thing. Let me enter my passcode and we go. Don't forget to click share this video because this is amazing. Update requested. Okay, no problem. Let's see more information about this phone, RAM, internal storage, and more. With IDA 64, you can see memory. Available storage right now 58 GB. Available RAM right now 265 MB. Why Apple? Why? I'm shocked. I'm shocked, bro. I'm shocked. Do you believe this? Look at only 6 GB of RAM for this big phone. Seriously, this expensive phone, my friend. No way. No way. Can you see this, bro? This is not a joke, bro. This is not a joke. This is not fair. My friend, this is not fair. What? About 1 minute remaining. Seriously? Wow. You need to wait with me. You need to wait with me. Wow. Wait a few minutes for downloading. This is depending of your network connection. Seriously? You need some milk. Wait a few minutes, a few seconds with me. This thing take a time, bro. How? How is possible? Preparing edit again? Seriously? Damn. Wow, this update takes so much time, bro. Why? Download it seriously? Okay, install now. Verifying. Verifying what? Verifying your mama? Can you see this? Why Apple? Why this update takes so much time? Wow. Okay, wait with me. We're finishing this subject. What? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you, my friend? Show me your face. Show me your amazing face. Woo! Disappear. And this is what I'm talking about. Edit process started. With a few minutes for finishing. This is what I'm talking about. What? Ooh. I think that is done. Seriously? Let's open this thing quickly. Let me enter my passcode. Seriously? What? Your phone has been updated to iOS 16.3. Okay. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Look at this thing. Okay. Now let's go on settings. General. Software information. Look at that. Wow. iOS 16.3 is here. Okay. With a brand new update and security, stability. Okay. Not bad. Let's see on wallpaper first to see something new. Okay. As you can see, okay, nice. Let's go on what? For example, do this. Okay, go back. Add a new wallpaper. Okay. Let's see here. Add a new wallpaper. Okay, can you see this? Not bad. Let's see under. Let's see the face. Nice. And what? Look at the brand new wallpaper here. This is what I'm talking about. This is a brand new wallpaper. Can you see this? Okay. Seriously, you can change everything, change the color. Not bad. And it's cool. Click on add. And look at how it's so beautiful. Set add wallpaper. Your new wallpaper is here. Lock screen. This is how your lock screen look like. Not bad. Okay, home screen. This is look at how home screen look like what now. Look at how my home screen look like what now. You believe this? This is so nice. This is so beautiful, bro. This is so beautiful, my friend. Can you see this? Nice wallpaper in my opinion. It's so beautiful in the real life. Very beautiful. Not bad. Let's try to enable dark mode. Click here. Nothing special in my opinion. Okay. You can see here. Nice. Not bad. Dark mode again. Cool. More details in my opinion. Yes. This is for brand new update. Now let's see on Android 64 with the hardware. Okay. Internal storage, memory. Look at that. Informal RAM. Face 266. What is this? What is this, my friend? I don't know. I think that I need to restart this phone. Let them off and restart this phone again. Just to see what we need to see together. Okay, now click on power button. Apple logo. One, two, and what? You know what the page here? Nice. Now you need to put your passcode quickly and access to your phone. Have notifications here. Nice. Have all of it. Great. Very good. Beautiful. Borrow percentage. Nice. Again. Beautiful. Have everything. Camera. You see camera. Nice. Video. To record the video. Great. No. Let's again iOS 64 to see more information about memory. Look at available RAM right now. One 1,370 megabytes. This is cool. This is why sometimes you need to restart your phone. Very important. Okay, say to me what you think about this. The brand new wallpaper is beautiful. Everything fire. I love it. I love it. This is so nice, so comfortable, so great, and I love it. Don't forget to share this video because it's amazing. Thank you for watching.